Welcome back, Sharknado Mock Modders. We are on bag 13. And it looks like we're going to do some wall development tonight. And let's see where we start here. We have a lot of beige bricks. And let's see what we can do here. So it looks like I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. It looks like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's going to go, looks like right here. And I need a angle piece. Make sure we go right around. Like I said, I'll use a separate container if you need help pull pieces out if it gets too much on when you're building. And then I need, let's see, 1x3 piece. I'm gonna need that piece anyways. See, always count your studs. Miscounted the studs. Through. And then I need another corner piece going right here. And then 1x3 going on the interior right here. Okay, now I need the angle brick pieces. Actually, put together like so. And then looks like we're going to put them right here. And then angle pieces again. And our set goes like right here. So that looks like all the locations I need. Next one. Oh, it looks like I'm building a bathroom mirror. Okay, this is pretty cool. So, I need to find... So I need to find 2 of these stud pieces here. They're 1x1, well actually 1x2 or 1x2x1 stud pieces with snuts on the sides. I'm going to find a grill piece. Oh, not a grill piece. 1x2 plate with a shelf piece or a hinge piece. Well, not a hinge. I don't know exactly what it's called. I just know it looks like it's a great piece to have for a windowsill or whatever. Maybe that's what it's called. No, it wouldn't be called a windowsill. It would just be way too complicated calling it that. So we put one down. Pieces over there. Find the pieces we're looking for. Hmm. This is a great. It's a, doesn't look like a great tile piece. Oh, maybe it is. Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. It's actually screen printed bathroom mirror on 1x3 tile piece, which is really cool. But I still gotta find that shelving piece, put underneath it. So it goes like that. Yeah, never heard of looking in the other box. There you go. Looks like that. Pretty cool. And that actually goes right above the sink area. And then you just need, so that 1x3 right there. And 1x2 right here. And then 1x1 right there. And then the next picture. Okay. I'm going to pause for movie magic because it's going to take a little bit to put all these other bricks in. Hold on. Okay, so I ended up putting these pieces here, 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 and across here. So, go to the next page. Okay, now we're going to assemble more hinge brick pieces. I like the hinge brick pieces for this system build. So this one goes like so here. Put together. Like I said, if you also find the pieces you need for your build ahead of time, go ahead and place them at the same time. Because when you're sorting through, you may not come across it for a while. And you're like, oh crap, I should have grabbed one when I had the chance. It happens. There like that. Then I gotta put let's backtrack here for a second here. I put that one on too early, apparently. That didn't require, that just required those normal brick pieces. See, I jumped ahead of the design. So that just required 2 normal brick pieces there. 2 pages later, now required this brick piece up here. Ta-da! Okay. Checking the work. Making sure I didn't miss anything. Okay. Now we get to put a whole bunch of green pieces in. So I'm going to stop, do movie magic, because this is going to take a few minutes. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I had to do 10 of these, basically 1x2 bricks times 2, and then to add 10 times all the way around. So cool aspect of this is, so they're doing the white and brown on the inside, but then they're doing the green on the outside to keep with the correlation of the color schemes for the hotel and such. So I think that's pretty cool. Oh, and last episode I mentioned about the manual script with the picture on the instructions with the 1x2 plating system. And on Reddit today, they actually, on the Lego Reddit, they actually explained that. Someone actually pointed that out going, hey, I think somebody screwed up on the instruction booklet for that. So I wasn't the only one that caught wind that there was something wrong with that design and such. And so... oh, okay. So here's another cool thing. So see these are usually used in vehicles as another form of fender mud flaps or whatever. So taking 2 of these, putting them together like that, they become a decorative type window sill type system. And by the looks of things, did I miss a step? I did miss a step. I missed putting some round big brick pieces right here on the windows. I don't know how I did that, but I did. So I'm going to pause, do movie magic, and come back to you. Okay, I'm back. So I fixed my mistake from the last episode. I forgot to put these light brown 1x2s across the top of the window pieces. I don't know how I missed that. It was in instructions, and this is what I told you to pay attention to instructions when you're putting things together or you're going to miss something, and I did. So now you're taking the fender pieces and the 1x2x4s, and then you're basically placing them right on top of here, like so, and they become window covers. Pretty cool, huh? I'll spin it around, make it easier to put it in. I'll just give you an idea on eye level here. See? Pretty cool. Spin it back over. Oh, cool. You disassemble some doors. Okay. So on the inner doors, I have 2 of them. I'll go in front of the bathroom apparently. And the other one. Goes to the landing. Here, and this other one apparently goes to the balcony. like so. You see? Pretty cool, huh? And next, we are building some kind of archway. Okay, so I'm grabbing the mud flaps again, except this one's in white and such. And grabbing two white 1x1 brick pieces. Oh, with snots. Okay, this one you have to pay particular attention to. Apparently, they want you to have the snots facing outward like this and one on this side, so they're 90-degree angle snot pieces. Oh, this is where you need to have nimble fingers. Sometimes I wish I had the hands of a surgeon, because that's what it feels like sometimes when you're building Lego. Especially this tiny pieces. You just want to start breaking out that Weird Al song like a surgeon. We all know the tune. Sent to Madonna's Like a Virgin. So when you're building, see, it's starting to look like that. And the next part, take the two exhaust port pieces, and put it underneath like so. One down here somewhere. There's some interesting build techniques on this thing, that's for sure. And then the white flower pieces. Come on. Yep, nimble fingers. Nimble fingers. I'm not precariously carried about which way the flowers are facing, how the circular parts are facing. It's a flower. It's on there. My OCD is not that high enough that I'm going to say, oh my god, it has to sit this certain way on the thing to look a certain way. It's facing, it's on there, it's in. That's all I care about. Now, knowing me, knowing my luck, it's going to come back and bite me, saying, "Oh no, it has to sit in a certain way, or it's going to constrict and block something." Just knowing my luck. So I need a 1x3 that goes here. Another 1x3 goes right here. And next page. Okay, I'm going to set this down for the moment because I got to build snot bricks and other parts in this coral color. Without pinching my fingers in the process. ×2 apparently. That's the odd thing with new Lego too. When they're so brand new, the clutch is so pretty good that you tend to accidentally pinch your fingertips in the process if you're not careful. So it ends up looking like that all the way around for the moment. Next is you're going to take 1x4s, take the little candlestick flame holders, put them at the bottom here. Then the candlestick holders themselves, ×2. They're basically recreating what I did on the windowsill pieces themselves. One side, grab this one. See. Grab the other one. So the best way to do it is if you have to deal with the windowsill, with the candlestick holder, go for the hole first and then push in the bottom section. So it just makes it easier when you're pushing it all together. So, see, like so. And then more snot bricks at the top, on the other side. Holds everything in place, like so. I'm going to take a 1x6, and we're adding some awning pieces apparently. So this is going to be interesting. So this piece over here. Oh, this is going to be side awning pieces. Okay. This is what's going to go on the side on the snots. So So it ends up looking like that piece, like that. See? Pretty cool. I'm going to do probably the reverse side now. And yes, we are. So I need a 1x6 again. Push another 1x6 pieces over there. And see, it goes like that. It's a really cool archway thing. And that actually goes, slides right in and locks right down into place like right there. So that's, looks pretty cool as an archway. Still have some playability. It's kind of hard to put a person on the balcony, but I guess you can. I'll deal with that in a minute here. See how we can put a person on the balcony area. That's how they fit in there. Now we get to add more bricks. Okay, I'm gonna pause on Movie Magic here and put more bricks on the walls. Hold on. Okay, so that's all the walls built up there. And now apparently I have a whole bunch of these pieces. Apparently I require 26 of them. And they are basically placed like right there all the way around the edges. This way and this way. So, Movie Magic again because there's 26 of them and I think they're going to take a while because I'm going to sit here and basically sit here and do it like this. And I don't know if you actually want to hear me sit here and talk about this. But, I mean, well, you know, I guess I can because I'm actually finding the pieces pretty... Oh, never mind. I was going to say I find the pieces pretty easy to put in. These are actually 1x2 slope edges pieces. You can find them pretty much anywhere. I've seen people use them for headrest pieces in vehicles. You can use them for couch pieces and such like that. So, you know, they make a nice smooth edge on buildings and such like that. Side of buildings. You can use them for beds too, on the side of the snots. And so, I mean, there's various things. I've seen them used for hedges, greeneries, ramps, for skateboarding and such like that. So there's all types of usage you can use these things for. So the imagination just goes wild. You just got to figure out what you're going to do with them. Okay, so maybe this took a little bit faster than I thought it was because I'm down to the bits and pieces here. Definitely locks all the pieces in this for sure. Of course, that last one's always pesky. Okay, so that... Oops, I knocked a plant off. Okay, so raise it up, give you a nice smooth shiny surface across the top here and all the way around. So let's see what the next step is going to be now. Ooh, I get to tile the top of the darn thing. Okay, so this one I'm actually going to pause because tiling is going to take a few minutes here, so hold on. Okay, I'm back. So interesting about this one. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed two pieces. So, okay, so interesting about this tiling for this roof design, or this level, I should say, for this floor, is the fact that there's only 1x4 2 jumper studs on this entire, oh, and this part right here. That's it. Everything else is completely flat. Well, if you notice on the other ones, there was actually at least 4 spots on this one, and there's just 2 little spots on this one. So it's kind of interesting how it's making it easier just to pop this off. And now I guess we're building a grand lampshade on this piece. So I just need the bottom base, a cone, the rod goes into the cone, like so. So there's a lampshade. And this thing is going to go, where the heck is this thing going to go? Okay, I see here. put it against this wall. So, first, you know, this is Lego. It's subjective. You can put it wherever you want. I mean, I can put it against this wall if I wanted to, but against that wall. Okay, and it looks like I'm building a cabinet. So let's see, I need two grade, one by one grade piece, and a snot piece here. And then that. Oh, I hate when the instruction books are a little bit darker than it needs to be because it's kind of hard to see the pictures. Okay, so these are 1x3, but they're flat on the bottom, but they're like this, so they just basically a flat tile piece, reverse basically is what I like to call them. So it goes like that so far. Goes like that. Then okay. So these little handlebar pieces are actually going right inside these holes. Like so. See? 4 times. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's a pretty cool idea design-wise. Something different, so it doesn't look like it's the same cabinet all the way across the top and everything like that. And then you take this and put the cabinet doors in. Like so. Put 1x4 across the top. That. And you stack a whole bunch of 1x2 bricks on top of each other 3 times. Put them on one side of each other. Like so. I don't know how well you can see. Hopefully you can see that pretty well. See? Pretty cool. Nice little cabinet. And that actually will go against, right against there. And that is the end of the building for 3rd floor, apparently it looks like. Because the next page reveals bag 14, which will be the be the rooftop slash Thor's apartment. So my thoughts on that one is I'm going to be building the rooftop slash Thor's apartment, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to build part of I'm going to do part of the building on camera, and then I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to do a separate video where I'm building Thor's apartment inside on top of the roof, and then from there I'll finish it off. So I'll have two videos. So you'll see part one where I'm doing part of the roof and finishing it, and then part two I'll be installing Thor's apartment on it. So I'll figure out how to build everything like that. I may just build Thor's apartment separately, and then I'll just install it directly onto the roof and show you how I basically you know, merged it onto the roof to make it look like it's part of the overall aesthetics of the hotel and everything like that. So, but like, subscribe, comment if you want to see anything else of what I've been building in the other things. I am planning to build another Dodge Challenger, but I'll do a black and blue version, like it was suggested by one of my friends, and just go from there. But keep balking, keep being better, keep building, guys.